Okay. There might be something that you're doing with your learners that you want to create an assignment for that's outside of what we have in our elementary resource sharing folder. If I click on Learner, in this instance, I'm going to actually have kids share something with me. So I'm going to click the Go folder. And if you notice, there's almost nothing in here because this is the place that we want kids to tap on. So we only want the most recent thing that they're doing or couple of things that they're doing in here. The other things can be moved to the Stop folder. I'm going to click Add Materials. And in this instance, we're going to add the assignment. Once we do that, the first thing that you'll do is you will name the assignment something specific that you can remember what it is, your children will know what it is, and your families will know what it is. In the description, you can add video, you can add an image, you can add links, you can add I can statements, anything that will help define exactly what the assignment is going to be. You want to make sure to choose a grading category. And then in this, if you're only using one standard, you would go to the bullseye and you would select the standard that best fits with whatever children will be doing. And you can click K-12 Mastery Scale Percentage. What we're going to do actually though is we're going to create our own rubric. When I click on Scale and Rubric, you're going to see some already made rubrics. Those are rubrics that are attached to other assignments. Here, I'm going to click Create New. The first thing that I want to do is I want to really make sure that this Apply Grading Scale is set to K6 Mastery Scale points. From there, I can give my rubric a title. And then I can begin to add learning objectives. We want to go to Custom Learning Objectives, School, our standards. Okay, whatever standards might apply. And you'll notice that you can actually add other criteria. This is if there was something in particular that you wanted the kids to make sure to do outside of what the standards are. Maybe cite 3 sources, or maybe to remember to include source information, or something about working together. It could be whatever you want it to be, but you could add those. Otherwise, you'll just click the Delete Criteria row. Whenever you are satisfied, you'll click Create. And you notice that both of the standards that I selected are there. I'm going to get rid of this comments because children sometimes think that they add something to the comment and it's submitting the assignment, and we don't want them to do that. Right now, this box is highlighted. That means that kids can actually add things to the assignment. When we're done with it, I'm going to deselect this. So even if kids click on it, they really can't do anything with it, and it won't be quite as confusing. That is how you create an assignment.